Hey everyone, super excited to show you guys how to use Amazon Braket on qBraid. We'll be accessing quantum computers provided by Amazon as well as using Braket. So first off, we're going to log in. I'm going to use my newest account. And first off, we're going to add in some credits that are provided for the NYUAD hackathon. We will be providing credits for beta users as well. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Once you do so, you click home and you go to lab. And once you are in lab, you can then install the AWS environment if you haven't done so. And the Amazon Braket, click there. And then once it's installed, you want to run the CLI command for qBraid, which is qBraid enable account AWS. You'll get the command. It'll tell you that we'll be using our API to handle things, and so you won't have to make an IAM role or S3 buckets. We take care of all the credential stuff as well. I'm going to double check my credits for qBraid. Then I'm going to double check that my account is enabled with qBraid. For the NYUAD hackathon, we provide Amazon Braket examples here. So we're going to use a wonderful notebook where you can access several quantum computers, including Braket, IonQ, and Oxford quantum circuits. So we're going to run this notebook, and we will get results. Once again, what's great about qBraid is that you just have to log in and then just run one CLI command, and you'll be able to essentially run your quantum computing jobs on a pay-as-you-go method. No need to double check any of your AWS credentials. Once you do so, we're going to check our AWS, our Braket task, and it looks like it's been created. Our IonQ task has also been queued. And our Oxford quantum circuit one is also getting queued as well. What's great as well is that you can just code the normally as you would in Braket. And we get our shot distribution. And we have our other task queued. Oh, and we do have an error here. And this error, in fact, is because I forgot to add an S3 folder to be specified in the run method. You do need to make sure you add dummy folders that don't really exist. As long as those names are essentially just placeholders, it'll be totally fine. We take care of it, and it's in our own bucket. And we'll give you back the results. And you can code just the way you normally would. And you get the shot distribution here. And you're all set to use qBraid. And you can double check how many credits you used. Stay tuned for updates on beta users.